Hello, this is Mike from Cornerable Software. This is part 2 of my Amazon S3 bucket tutorial series. In part 1 of this series, how to monitor Amazon S3 buckets, I showed you how to add an S3 bucket to Cornerable and monitor directory sizes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Windows event logs as well as any log or database backup directly to an Amazon S3 bucket. Assuming you watched part 1 and have attached your S3 bucket to Cornerable, open one of the sample event log backup templates. The samples can be found under Templates, Sample Templates, Log Backup. Once open, select the Options tab. Notice under the Backup option, there is now a host dropdown. This dropdown enables you to select your S3 bucket. Once selected, set the target location by selecting the Browse button. From the Select Folder dialog, select the target subdirectory. If you would like to create a new directory, you can either click the New Folder button or right-click within the whitespace, then select New Folder. Once selected, any previous variable replacement tags are appended and the path separator flipped to a Unix /. That's it. Assign your device, then save your changes and execute verbose. Once complete, we can use the Amazon Management Console to verify our files were uploaded to our bucket. Okay, well that was pretty easy. Now let's do the same for a text log file. Since I have a Linux agent connected to my management server, I'm going to modify my Linux Audit log backup template to save the logs directly to my S3 bucket. The sample template I'm going to use is found under Templates, Sample Templates, Red Hat, Agent, and it's called Red Hat Audit Log File Backup var log audit audit.log agent. Once opened, select the Options tab. Notice, like our event log backup template, you can now choose the target S3 bucket using the host dropdown. Please note, if you've not configured an Azure file share or an S3 bucket, the host selection controls do not display in either the event log backup or the file collection and retention template properties views. Again, once selected, set the target location by selecting the Browse button. Once assigned to my Linux server and executed, I can see the files in my S3 bucket. That's part 2 of Amazon S3 buckets with Cornerable Server Manager.